This is another 2017 Ford, of course, Power Stroke Super Duty badass truck. Okay, this overspray on here is an Epoxy Fusion bond. Very, very strong. And this one's worse than the first one. Of course. Yeah, this is bad. Man, nobody would be able to clay bar that off or any other technique. I don't care what you're using. I don't even think you can wet sand it off when it gets to the fusion type hardeners. Look at my hood. It looks so sweet. That's 2 thin coats of ceramic pro coating. I've already got overspray on it twice. Exactly, I got this Fusion epoxy on it because I visited the job site. And of course I clayed it and I didn't polish it, nothing. Okay. All right, that's enough of that. This got to lubricate it a little bit. A lot of things. Shave this door, of course. This stuff is very strong, so I'm going to have to wet my wax down just so this blade will slide through it. We're using this on there. Oh baby, I'm sorry I dropped you like that. Ah, oh, crap. Oh well, you broke in now. Oh. You can see the orange peel on a Ford. Look at that orange peel. Still shaved it, no problem. But that makes the overspray stick even more when there's lows and highs, opposed to a smooth glass slick paint job. That overspray does not want to come off. The back here is especially damaged. The overspray came from the back. They say. Ready. Yeah, she's got a little bit on there. This one's covered. I've been got a little tar on here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. God, that overspray picks up about 80% of it. Normally 90, but not this shit. Okay, we're gonna use the Rubus Bigfoot 21 on here with their fine polish. Make it look as good as the day you bought it. I'm not a Dodge, I'm not a Ford guy, don't get me wrong, but this, it's not going to change my mind, but it's still a kick-ass paint job. Look at that. Hardcore Epoxy Fusion Bond Overspray. Ooh! Back into a toolbox. It's alright. Look at that fender. You tell me. That's perfection. I even polished that. Got the tail lights. But yeah, look at that. I don't care who you are, how you do it, or whatever you think. You ain't getting that off. No, without using some sandpaper, chemicals, or something. I use none of that. If this happen again tomorrow, I can do it again tomorrow. Got a little bit of paint on here. Alright, I'm going to do a little filming on filming. And this is my Sony HD camera. So I'm going to do a little eye footage here. Because they actually have a pretty good camera on this thing. Listen to that overspray. Okay, that is the final product. It's about a 5-hour project here, maybe 6, who's counting? Okay, the hood is perfection, of course. Look at that. Not a piece of overspray on this dude, guarantee you that. All his front end, now that stuff had overspray on it. It wasn't easy to get it off. Mirrors, look at that mirror. There are no videos anywhere on the internet where someone's successfully repairing this stuff. Nothing. This is it. Look at all in there. And this thing did not have a little bit of overspray on it. It was slammed. Every curve had to be shaved. Like I said, if you don't shave it, you're going to have a hard time cleaning it off. Yeah, you could wet sand it, but who wants to wet sand a brand new vehicle? Diminish the clear coat on a brand new Ford. I sure as hell don't. The body shop most likely would have had at least 20 hours labor if they're going to wet sand it. Can you imagine? Ooh, look at that. Not a piece of sandpaper's been on that dude right there. All right. Look at those doors, they're perfect. Here's the other mirror. I mean, look at that mirror. You can check that off your estimate right there. Go ahead and take it. Matter of fact, you can just go ahead and tear that estimate up because this one has been repaired 100% and polished. Paint overspray removal, Division of National Overspray Removal on site. What do you think about that, buddy? Oh, she looks, look at that hood. She ain't looked like that in a while. Yeah, all that chrome is done too. You had overspray all the way to the very bottom of this truck. All the way to the very bottom. That Rubus polish they have is some really good polish. I used a fine on it. She's ready to pull something now. You know when they look good, it's like they dry better. Oh, yeah. It's all psychological, but Paint Overspray, Division of National Overspray Removal Service. This here Ford is done.
Mm-hmm.